Hi friends, welcome back. Walmart just dropped some new arrivals and they're serving some serious styles this season. Join me on this little try-on haul and I'll show you how I styled these pieces. As always, I will have the links in the description below, also pinned to the comment section. Everything will be in numeric order to make sure shopping's easier for you, and I'll be sure to include my height and weight. Now, number one is this short sleeve sweater top they're calling from the Free Assembly line. This has a nice soft texture to it. You have the collared neckline going down to the 5-button placket, puffed sleeve with pleated detail right over here, and then it sits just above the shoulder. Now this top is priced at $24. I believe it is a viscose polyester blend. I have to mention it is extremely soft. I paired it with these denim pants I shared in a previous video. These are so adorable. These are cargo pants with the little bow ties on the side from the Celebrity Pink line. Back to this top, stay true to your size. Just stay true to your size. I actually picked this up in a medium, thinking it would be a little more snug, and as you can see, it is extremely roomy. Should have went with a size small, but it is very soft. Now, as far as the details, like I mentioned, it is a viscose polyester blend, priced at $24, and then you also have 3 other colors available to you. Number 2 is this button-down mini dress from the Free Assembly line. This dress is so adorable and extremely soft. It is a mini style. I'm 5'4" for height reference. It's just above my knee, short sleeve. Now this is a cotton polyester blend. It is a button down. It also has a tiered hemline, if you can see here, but what a great one and done outfit. This dress is absolutely adorable. It is priced at $28. I'm wearing it in this dark navy color. It's also available in a tomato red color. The buttons in the front are gold, and then you have 2 little pockets on the front here that are actual functioning pockets with the little buttons here. You can't close them. They just have the buttons for decoration. V neckline, very soft and comfortable, has a little bit of a stretch to it. And then as far as the length, it is 33 inches long from the center of the back. Back to this dress, I wanted to share that I did pick this up in a size medium and then bring that in nice and close so you can get a good idea as far as the buttons. And then, like I mentioned, it does have the tiered hemline. Now this next dress, they're calling this a utility mini dress. It is belted. It does come with the belt. This is from the Free Assembly line. It is sleeveless, has a zipper, half zipper in the front here, and then of course you have your 2 little pockets, 2 pockets on the side here. The dress is lined underneath. Excuse me one second. This video is very interesting. We're watching my daughter's cat, so it seems like Maple is chasing Toothless. That's the cat's name, Toothless. But this is a mini length dress. I like the feel of it. It has a good structure feel to it. For me personally, I would feel more comfortable with a black blazer on top, or I believe it's actually, they sell a matching blazer sold separately, but nice comfortable dress. Like I mentioned, I did pick this up in a size small. As you can see, there are like lime citrus colors all throughout. It's more of that gingham type style, but nice. It has a nice structured feel to it. Now it is priced at $30. It's 98% cotton, 2% spandex. Here is your zipper. Now they're saying full, but that's not a full. Does it go all the way down? Okay, so the zipper stops about right here. You're able to unzip it, pull it up and everything for, what was this price at? $30. For a one and done outfit priced at $30, you can't beat that. And like I said, it does feel like a quality piece, but going back to the entire length, it is 31 inches from the center of the back. This next entire look is from the Free Assembly line. They are sold separately. We'll talk about the skirt first. It is 100% cotton. They're calling this the Jacquard cotton midi length skirt. This is 33 inches in length, only available in this medium wash. It is 100% cotton, has a good amount of weight to it. I would say it's a cross between a medium and heavyweight. Definitely great transition piece for summer into fall. You could even wear this into winter, maybe pair it with some boots. It's a nice set. Well, no, forgive me. It's sold separately. I wasn't sure about this together, but I actually like the look together. It has the cute peplum top. I'll go into that in just a moment. But this would pair great with that gray top I just shared a few moments ago, or if you remembered my last Walmart haul, that Sofia Vergara long sleeve ruffle neck top would look really cute with this. Stay true to your size. I did pick this up in a size small. It fits perfectly. The top is a sleeveless peplum style. As you can see, it kind of flares out a little bit around the hemline. I am wearing this in a size medium. The top is priced at $26. It has a zipper in the back along with an eye hook closure, rounded neckline. Look at all the beautiful paisley detail all throughout. Very comfortable. Even if you just went with the top, this would pair great with a pair of medium wash pants or maybe a pair of black dress pants. You could easily dress this up or dress this down, but yeah, definitely very comfortable. Way to go, free assembly line. Before we go into this next sweater, I just wanted to bring this skirt up nice and close so you can see that jacquard detail all throughout. Like I mentioned, it is a button zipper and then you have belt loops all around the skirt. I did pick this up in a size 4, but very nice. Now this next top is also from the free assembly line. We have a lot of pieces from the free assembly line right now. So this is a long sleeve sweater with that rolled neck. So soft and comfortable. The top is 100% cotton. Paired it with these high-waisted jeans from the Scoop line I shared a couple videos ago. Ladies, you don't want to miss all these hauls. Walmart has lots of great finds, releasing new arrivals, and then we're going into fall soon, so be sure to subscribe if you're all about affordable fashion. Love to have you. Say hi in the comments below. All right, but back to this top. This is a striped detail. Look at the blue, the pink, nice contrast of color there. It blends very nicely. Like I mentioned, this is priced at $26. The sizes available are extra small through double extra large. I did pick this up in a size medium because I wanted more of an oversized fit. I thought, you know, this time of year, it would pair great with like a pair of shorts. And let's see, it's also available in a warm chocolate stripe color. This next top is from the Sofia Vergara line. It is a cardigan sweater top short sleeve. Now they're not calling this cropped style. I really think they should because I'm wearing the high-waisted pants. My belly button's under here and as you can see it's just sitting right at my midsection. If you raise your arms you'll be exposed. I mean it is very soft and comfortable, but it's interesting they don't say cropped. I had no idea it was a cropped style. So this top is priced at $24. I'm wearing it in the black, has rib texture all throughout the top, and it's also available in what they're calling a Hawaiian blue. It is a polyester viscose nylon blend, but really nice soft top. Wearing this in a size medium. Let me back up so you can get a good idea as far as the entire look here. But this top would also pair great with that jacquard skirt because that is a little bit more high-waisted as well. This denim jacket is also from the Sofia Vergara line. It is priced at $32. It is 99% cotton, 1% spandex. I know many of us own tons of denim jackets, but I was intrigued by this one because it said Peplum style. I like the little buttons back there. I feel like it adds something. So I did pick this up in a size medium, but like I mentioned, I was intrigued when it said Peplum. I thought, oh, that's kind of cute. Maybe pair this with a pair of leggings. I think that would look really nice. Maybe have a t-shirt underneath. It has a good fit to it. Look at the back. Look at all that little detail. But because it has that peplum, it adds a little flair. Sofia Vergara, I love her line. She's always about those feminine details that really add something. Now, I did pick this up in a size medium here, but I don't think I'm going to be able to comfortably button that. Let me get this buttoned real quick. Because it has 1% spandex, you have a good amount of stretch. Yeah, you have a little bounce going back there. But for me personally, I would recommend sizing up. Should have maybe even 2 sizes. This is a size medium. I do have a little bit of pulling going here, but I love how it cinches in at the waist. Has that peplum style, really creates a nice curve, and if you have more of that rectangular shape, I think this would be absolutely adorable on you. I think even with pretty much any shape, it's going to flare out. You can't go wrong with a peplum top. It gives you that nice silhouette, that nice hourglass shape, but this looks adorable together. I don't know, let me know if you guys think the medium or definitely go with a size large, give a little bit of room here. My friend out there, pass the butter, can I reach? I can comfortably reach, so I'm not having any issues there, but like I mentioned, I have a little bit of pulling going on right here, so let me know your thoughts. All right, I have one more pair of fabulous pants, but before I go into that, I wanted to share with you guys this pillow cover. and I say cover, from the My Texas, what is it called? My Texas house. This is so cute. Isn't it really pretty, all the little detail here? Now I say cover because when this came in, I'm like, that's not my package. There's no pillow inside. So I have an old pillow, like you can see it coming through. Hopefully you can see it there. You can see some stripes. And then if you guys remember from spring, the pillow inside is also from the My Texas house. It's the little Easter bunnies, but then it's also striped detail. I really loved the pattern here. I thought this was really cute, and I thought it would pair beautifully with that picture from the Pioneer Woman line I shared in the last video. But I was like, I got to mention to you guys, of course it does say on the tag pillow cover, but a lot of times when you're ordering this, you just assume the pillow comes with it. Now, this pillow did slip in there very easily, but I thought it was really cute, but it is priced at $15. I just wanted to share with you, like I said, the detail, and then like I mentioned, be warned, it's a pillow cover. Ladies, if you are still watching, leave a sun emoji in the comments below, and I would love to know which was your favorite piece from this haul, or do you have some favorite pieces from Walmart's new arrivals that I haven't shared? Again, let me know in the comments below. But these pants are from the Free Assembly line. These are a wide leg style pant. They are, I would call them high-waisted because just above my belly button. It does come with a nice dress belt. Your 2 pockets, great pair of work pants. You could even simply dress this down. What do they say? From desk to drinks. Throw on a t-shirt and a pair of platform sneakers. Definitely have a cute everyday modern look going on there, but really comfortable. You have 2 little seams in the back. They're not pockets. It's just that seam detail to give the appearance of a pocket. Like I said, they are a wide leg style, nice and comfortable. Kept on the flat so you can get a good idea as far as the length. We'll pull that up in just a second. I am 5'4" for height reference, and I definitely have some puddling going on. But I have to say, these are fabulous for a pair of work pants. Now, they are a navy blue color. There's some pinstripe. They're not calling it pinstripe, but there's some pinstripe detail, if you can see here. And it's like a dark navy blue with a light navy blue pinstripe all throughout. I believe there's also a matching blazer sold separately, but I thought, yeah, I had to check out these work pants. So they are priced at $29. I did pick these up in a size 4. Stay true to your size. They are a polyester spandex blend, and let's see, they have a 32-inch inseam, polyester spandex blend, 32-inch inseam. Very comfortable. The pockets have like a thick lining. That's such a weird comment. Usually the pockets are kind of thin. This, I'm noticing the lining is a little thicker here, and then like I said, it comes with that belt, but yeah, nice and comfortable. Well, ladies, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you did, be sure to give me a thumbs up, say hi in the comments below. Ladies, remember to keep shining, keep smiling, and I'll see you next time. Bye.